Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all guys? I wish you all are in good health by the bless of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to my channel Aryan Art Academy and my name is Aryan Alam Farhan. So today I am going to show you guys how to draw minion Bob. He is very popular in cartoon heroes. So if you are new in my channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for get the all new notification of my channel. And if you like my video, you can give the like button, and if you don't like my video, so you can give the dislike button, and you can also comment in my video how was my video. So let's go guys and watch the video.